Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to copy the link to your profile on the OnlyFans account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for OnlyFans. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to the OnlyFans platform. We can use a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Go to OnlyFans. This should directly take us to our profile. If we now navigate to our main profile page, where it says edit profile by the cogwheel, if we look on the right to that, we should have a button that allows us to copy the link to profile. If I were to click on this, link to profile was copied to clipboard. Let's now minimize Safari for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, Google Chrome, and now this is just a copy and paste job. Command V, return. This should take me to my profile where I can then view the content if I am a subscriber of this page itself. So if I were to, let's just say, minimize Chrome for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock again, go back to the web browser Safari. Now let's go to the search box on top, click on this, right click, copy the link, which is the same way that you could do if that button was not available. Go all the way down to the dock again, go back to Google Chrome, open up a new tab, Command V, enter, and there we go. We have been redirected to our profile again using another method. We can now quit Google Chrome, go back to Safari, quit Safari, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.